Hi folks, it's Desmond Raymond here in lovely Winnipeg with my video for our class on natural gas and why I want to make it the case for being a primary energy source when compared to oil and coal, but for now. So, quick primer. Natural gas is formed when layers of buried plants and gases are exposed to intense heat and pressure over thousands of years. It's a hydrocarbon mixture. It's an energy source often used for heating, cooking, and electricity generation, and becoming more of a primary mover within the transportation industry. It's also used as a fuel for vehicles and as a chemical feedstock in the manufacture of other commercially important chemicals. It's found in deep underground rock formations or associated with other hydrocarbon reservoirs, and it was first used by the Chinese in 500 BC as an energy source. But it is non-renewable, as are coal and oil. Sources. Here's a map that I pulled off of Wikipedia, which gives you a sense of where you'll find sources. The darker blue colors are reserves of more than 100 billion cubic meters of natural gas, and the lighter ones go down to about 1 million cubic meters of natural gas. So it's wide and very dispersed across the world, except for certain parts of Africa and obviously on Greenland, as we can see. So types of natural gas and usages. Well, the types, there's crystallized natural gas hydrates, biogas, shale gas, and town gas. Usages for them, power generation, transportation, and hydrogen production. And we're seeing a lot more on the transportation side with LNG, in particular on the shipping side, of which we're all involved in. So why natural gas? Well, when compared to oil and coal, it has less impact on the environment. It's often described as the cleanest fossil fuel. It produces about 29% and 44% less carbon dioxide per joule delivered when compared to oil and coal respectively. It produces far lower amounts of sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxide than any other hydrocarbon out there. There are more reserves in place than oil and coal, so for the longer term, if we do things right with the technology, as we can see in my final point, with fuel efficiency as a cornerstone of its uses, we could probably make it last a lot longer with less impact on the environment. But, like oil and coal, the viability of natural gas, it's not sustainable to us in the long term, and some would argue even the short term. What we should be looking at, folks, we should look at the use of using the remaining non-renewables in a measured way to utilize them to advance our ability and need to become dependent upon renewable energy sources and the technology required to support it, before the non-renewable sources that we currently use for the majority of our energy are depleted, and we lose that window of opportunity to build and make the switch into a renewable energy society. And that is my video, and hopefully I can make it work on YouTube, because I've never posted on YouTube. So hope everybody's enjoying the summer and enjoying the course, and look forward to seeing our discussions online. Take care, folks.